are finally in Hamilton at the Birthday Bash. Let's walk around and see who we can see. You know we're here for the birthday celebration, and I just met Kathy, and Kathy's got Kathy's Kitchen.
Hi, yes, Kathy at Kathy's Kitchen. Just wanted to let you know that we're down at the end of Davis Street, 408 North Davis. Come on down, have some breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We're open 7 to 7, 7 days a week, so come on down, bring your appetite.
And today I'm gonna try it for the first time. I'm sure it's gonna be good. My nephew actually works here too, so it's all good. So when you're up on the main street in Hamilton and you don't know where to eat, just keep putting down the main street and you'll find Kathy's Kitchen. I'll take you inside so you can see it. It's super cute. Let's go.
Okay. Cinnamon rolls.
Oh,
the little one in the center was me.
This is the cinnamon roll I got at Kathy's Kitchen. See it? It's as good as it looks. Hi guys, we are on day 2 of the Missouri Star Quilt Company Birthday Bash. We have had so much fun. Jenny's here, of course, saying hi to everybody. Looking gorgeous, looking fabulous.
So much fun at Birthday Bash, isn't it?
Yeah, so just hang out with us. It's going to be so much fun.
Good to see you guys.
Let's do a peace out.
Oh, peace out. Yeah, good time. Peace out.
Is that her just wandering up here like nothing's going on? Come on over here. What's your name? Susie, where are you from? Denver. Susie from Denver. All right, Susie. Well, you get the Moda and the Orifil cake over there. So check it out. All right, Natalie is. All right, here we go. This is for the Timeless Treasure June Taylor Super Duper Cake Surprise. 663-099.
Can you grab one?
Oh.
Here we go. This one?
All right, that's the one. That's the one Chuck wanted. All right, here we go. How about 656 510 656 510. Mary from Holton, Kansas. Very good, Mary. Thank you so much. 680. Way back. Come on up here.
All right.
Nice. What's your name? What's your name? Amber, where are you from? All right, and we have got the Gypsy Quilter Creative Grids and Wilmington Fabrics. They're right here, and they have got their booths set up and have done a fine job. It's a hippie dippy love band. Check that thing out. Missouri Star Bus, that's right. All right. All right, Jenny's going to do the drawing.
6, 5, 5, 8, 5, 4. 6, 5, 5, 8, 5, 4.
Nice job. Here she comes. We're going to verify. There we go. What's your name and where are you from? Diane from Minnesota. Give it up. Man. She gets the Gypsy Quilter Creative Grids and Wilmington Fabrics. I think that's everybody, right?
So what are they doing?
They're
So you
calling out
buy-
numbers.
So you buy one of these? No.
It's
free.
Last four numbers on the ticket.
Okay.
Right now, it's the last four numbers on the ticket. So listen up. And then if that's you, then come running down here, like Price is Right style. Grab, just stand on one of these numbers that's on the ground here, all right? Here we go. Listen up. It's going to go quick. 6188. 6188. Get on down here. Is that what it is? All right. 6109.
There we go.
Come on! Yeah! Oh my goodness, Kansas City football, huh?
Right there.
Oh, gonna go the old Patrick Mahomes number. Patrick Mahomes! Move it is, but it's something. Oh yeah. All right, all right, all right. Number 11. You're our next winner on this round. Here we go. Hey, what's your name? Where are you from? Linda from Atlanta. My goodness, thanks for coming in. Barbara from Abilene. All right, Barbara, we've got 6154.
So close.
Oh, we're watching. Good night.
He shows off enough, he'll win.
Oh, wow. Jim and Jim, we may have a Dancing with the Stars stuff going on. Look at this. Meg and Brandy, this is our events team here, so they're coming out. They're going to pick the finalists here for the dance-off. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh! All right. Wait, is Tim gets a partner? Is this... What happened here?
Jim, Tim, and Pam.
Oh no! What am I seeing? I can't unsee this. Come on, man! Whoa! Oh, hey, all right, hey, stop! You're gonna get us shut down. That's enough. I don't know what I don't.
Good job.
All right.
Good job.
That was something. And so you all three get the grand prize. This is these bags are full of all the swag that we've been giving away. The dinner at the Domes, all the stuff. So these are like super Shannon bags. Say thanks, guys. We'll do this again tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do another dance off tomorrow, but there's some trivia.
That was a terrible spin.
Terrible.
I get one of these.
Stand in patterns one. Any of these on the table.
That's very nice of them to do that.
I must take red.
We're nice at Wilmington.
What did I get?
One of that.
Same thing I don't.
Anything here on the table.
Well, I'm working on a white project. So we got bubbles.
There's a bubble, there's a scroll.
There's a dry brush.
I think
I like the bubbles.
Is that the
I think I
vintage?
like the bubbles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we'd like you to choose which of these three collections you like the best. This is collection 1. This is collection 2. And this one underneath is collection 3.
High pressure.
Your choice.
My choice too.
Let me just make sure I've got all your choices.
Which one did you get, sister?
More choices.
Let me see.
Blue, lot.
You know I'm gonna choose a lot.
Where are you all from?
Sister, that's for free.
For free.
That's so fun.
Ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Nobody like you.
All right, that's the one. That's the one Chuck wanted. All right, here we go. How about 6?
It's a spinner burrito. Ready? If I pull really hard, she'll fly across. Keep twirling, keep twirling.
Yes.
The model walk. Come on, here we go. You got it.
Is the peace sign upside down or we got it?
Nope, it's right. Oh my goodness, yes.
That's great.